Hey everyone, big news today. The United States has just announced a significant ramp-up in the manufacturing of nuclear warheads. This development comes amid escalating tensions in the Middle East, and it's causing quite a stir on the global stage. So, what's driving this decision? Well, the increased production of nuclear warheads is seen as a strategic move to bolster national security and maintain a position of strength in a region fraught with instability. With ongoing conflicts and shifting alliances, the U.S. wants to ensure it has the upper hand. Now let's talk about Russia. The U.S. and Russia have always had a complicated relationship, and this latest move is likely to add fuel to the fire. Russia has been flexing its military muscles in the Middle East, and the U.S. isn't keen to be left behind in the arms race. This could lead to a new era of Cold War-like tensions, with both superpowers jostling for dominance on the global stage. And then there's Israel. The U.S. and Israel have a long history of close ties, and this increase in nuclear capability will undoubtedly impact their relationship. Israel's defense system, the Iron Dome, is renowned for its efficiency, but even it has its limits. With the U.S. stepping up its nuclear game, Israel might feel more secure, but also more pressured to keep pace. What does this mean for the Middle East? Well, increased nuclear capabilities could heighten tensions and provoke a regional arms race. Countries in the region might feel threatened and respond by boosting their own arsenals, leading to a more volatile and unpredictable landscape. So where do we go from here? It's a critical moment in global politics, and the decisions made now will shape the future of international relations for years to come. Stay tuned as we keep a close eye on these developments. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Take care and see you next time.